students, last class we have seen about the traffic movement, Nastrik movement. In today's class I am going to explain an experiment. Sunlight is necessary for photosynthesis. Okay. The first, you take a potted plant. First take a potted plant is placed in a dark place. Okay. Potted plant is placed in dark place about to discharge its leaves. Discharge its leaves. Okay, first take the potted plant placed in a dark place about to discharge its leaves. What is the meaning of discharge? Discharge means removal of starch. Removal of starch. Okay, next one leaf is covered with black paper. One leaf is covered with strip of black paper. It covers both the sides. Okay, both sides, cover on both sides. Next, a potted plant is kept in sunlight for 4 to 6 hours. Next, the potted plant kept in sunlight for 4 to 6 hours. Okay, so next step, the selected covered plant is plucked. Selected covered plant leaf plucked and remove the black paper Now the leaf is immersed in a boiling water for few minutes and then in alcohol to remove the chlorophyll. Okay, next, the leaf immersed in, what is the meaning of immersed? Immersed na mukkuradhu apdiye. The leaf is immersed in boiling water. The leaf is immersed in boiling water for few minutes. Next, and then alcohol to remove the chlorophyll. Alcohol to remove chlorophyll. The leaf is now tested in iodine solution for the presence of starch. The leaf is tested for the iodine solution for the presence of starch. Starch irukka illaya nu solli kandupidikiradhu. Presence of starch. Okay. First, the covered part of the leaf does not change blue-black color. Okay. First, the covered part of the leaf. Covered part of the leaf does not change blue-black color. The blue-black color indicates the presence of starch. Blue-black color. Okay. Covered part of the plant does not change blue-black color, but the uncovered part of the plant change blue-black color. Uncovered part of leaf change or turn blue-black color. But the uncovered part of the leaf which receives sunlight was able to synthesize starch, so change blue-black color. Okay. Next topic, next one, God cells. What is God cell? God cell. Tamil காப்பு செல்கள் சொல்லுவாங்க. What is God cell? God cell This is a guard cell. Guard cell of stomata. This is stomata. This is guard cell. Vacuole is present. This is vacuole. Next, nucleus is present. Nucleus is present. This is guard cell. Guard cell of stomata are green in color, but can't photosynthesis. Green color, but can't photosynthesis. Why? It does not contain enzyme Rubisco and NADP dehydrogenase is absent. The enzyme Rubisco and NADP hydrogenase enzyme is absent. Enzyme is absent. Okay. Guard cell are green in color but can't photosynthesis. Why? Enzyme Rubisco and NADP, nicotinamide adenine dihydrogenase phosphate, that is called NADP. Hydrogenase enzyme is absent, so it can't photosynthesis. Next, exchange of gas. Next, exchange of gas. Plant absorb the water from the root of plants. The root of plants absorb the water from the soil and transport it to leaves. Okay, the root of the plant absorb the water from the soil and transport it to leaves. The leaves have small holes or tiny holes called stomata. The leaves have tiny holes called stomata. What is stomata? Leaves have small holes. Okay, in the tiny holes called stomata. What is the use of stomata? The stomata, it involves minimize the transpiration. The plant inhale and exhale continuously through the stomata. The plant inhale and exhale continuously through the stomata. Okay. So, exchange of gas. First one, the root of the plant absorb the water from the soil and transport it to leaves. Leaves have small holes is called stomata. What is the use of the stomata? Plant inhale and exhale continuously through the stomata. Next, transpiration. What is transpiration? Transpiration means loss of water in the form of water vapor from the aerial parts is called transpiration. What is transpiration? Next, transpiration. What is transpiration? The loss of water in the form of water vapor from the aerial part of the plant. Aerial parts of the plant is called stomata. It's called as transpiration. Sorry. Okay. 3 type of transpiration. First one, stomatal transpiration. Second one, cuticular transpiration. Third one, lenticular transpiration. Okay. First see the stomatal transpiration. This type of transpiration, this type of transpiration is responsible for loss of water. This type of transpiration is responsible for loss of water in leaves. Okay, stomatal transpiration means this type of transpiration is responsible for the loss of water through leaves. எது வழியா transpiration நடக்கும்னா leaves வழியா நடக்கும். leaves உள்ள main stomata, the parts main stomata வழியா நடக்கும். First, the second one, cuticular respiration. This type of transpiration is responsible for loss of water in plant oda cuticle. The part name cuticle. What is the meaning of cuticle? Cuticle is the outermost layer. Cuticle is the outermost layer. இது வழியா loss of water நடக்கும் transpiration. Next, lenticular transpiration. This type of transpiration is responsible for loss of water in the lenticels. In the lenticels. Lenticels. What is the meaning of lenticels? Lenticels means பார்க்ல உள்ள small holes. அந்த wooden பார்க்ல உள்ள small holes. Small holes. Okay. First one, what is stomatal respiration? Next one, cuticular respiration. Third one, lenticular respiration. Okay. Next, micronutrition and macronutrition. Micronutrition, macronutrition. Micronutrition and macronutrition. Macronutrition. Okay. Nutrition such as hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, potassium, calcium are required in large quantities called macronutrition. For example, such as first one, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, potassium, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, potassium, calcium, okay, and phosphorus, magnesium also. The hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, potassium, calcium are required in large quantity. Large quantity. So it's called macronutrition. Next one, some other nutrition also need for plants. For example, copper, silicon, zinc. Okay, this type of nutrition also need for small quantities, that is called micronutrition. Small quantities. Small quantities is called micronutrition. Micronutrition. Okay. What is micronutrition? The plants need a large quantity hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, potassium, calcium. Okay. Next, micronutrition means plants also need small quantities of copper, silicon and zinc. Today homework. What is transpiration? Explain the type of transpiration. Thank you.